I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. This is episode 67, Easement. When you own a home, you own it from the core of the earth to the top of the sky and all the rights that come with it. This is called the bundle of rights. Go back to episode 40 to find out more. An example of this is when your property is the only property in a neighborhood that has access to the water. The deed may include an easement to allow adjacent property owners access to the water. Example number 2 may be a utility company may have access to the property to maintain power or communications lines. You can't deny them access if an easement has been granted. In both examples, you still own the property, but part of the bundle of rights, the exclusion in this case, has been given away. A proper title search should discover any issues. Make sure your listing agent is aware of any that you know of. It could impact a buyer's decision to purchase your property. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home. Last one.